Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get seats together in Ryanair. If you're traveling with family or friends, sitting together makes the journey much more enjoyable, and I'll walk you through exactly how to secure those adjacent seats during your booking process. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Ryanair official website by typing www.ryanair.com in the address bar. This takes you directly to their homepage where you can start your flight search and booking. Once you're on the Ryanair homepage, you'll see a search bar with fields labeled Departure and Destination. In the Departure field, type the name of your departure airport. This is where your journey begins, so make sure you've selected the correct location. Next, move to the Destination field and type in your arrival airport. This tells Ryanair where you want to fly to. After that, you'll need to select your travel dates. Click on the calendar fields for outbound and return if you're booking a round trip. This ensures you're viewing flights that match your schedule. Now click on the passengers option to choose how many people will be traveling. This step is crucial because it determines how many seats you'll need to select together later on. Once you've entered all your details, hit the yellow search button to view the available flights that match your criteria. You'll now see a list of available flights displaying various times, prices, and any special offers Ryanair might be running. Take a moment to browse through these options and compare what works best for your schedule and budget. When you've found flights that suit you, click Select or a similar button next to your desired flight. This adds the flight to your booking. After selecting your flights, you'll be prompted to review your choices. Look over the details to make sure everything is correct, then click Continue or Next to move forward. Here's the important part. You'll now reach the seat selection screen where a seat map of the aircraft appears. This is where you can choose seats together by clicking on adjacent seats on the map. The seats are usually color-coded to show which are available, which cost extra, and which are already taken. Simply click on seats that are next to each other to ensure your group sits together. And that's it. You've successfully secured seats together on your Ryanair flight, making your travel experience much more comfortable and connected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.